Mrs. of the Living, please keep me anonymous. My husband told me not to think I'm the most beautiful woman in the world because someone is beautiful than me. Upon telling him not to say that to me because I'm broken by that statement, he keep reminding me of how beauty fades. I'm not comfortable at all upon hearing that from him. I have lost myself around him. Please, what do I do? Our sister is worried that her husband is telling her how beauty fades. And she says she has told the husband not to say that word to her. But the husband still keep on telling her how beauty fades. So she's no more comfortable with the husband. What must she do? It's up to us, my beautiful subscribers. Please, this is your Mrs. of the Living. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel for more lovely videos and story. Thank you so much. Bye.